All living bodies are made up of cells. Do you know? Before Robert Hooke, Jan Swammerdam was the first person to identify red blood cell in 1658. He was also one of the earliest person to use microscope. Of course, real cell biology came into existence with the work of Robert Hooke. He described cork cell of plant Quercus subare under microscope. It was not bottle cork. He also observed similar structure in other plant tissues and coined the term cell. Robert Hooke observed only the cell wall of cell and failed to notice the existence of cytoplasm and cell organelle. Another major contribution was done by Sir Anthony Van Leeuwenhoek to find out about bacteria, protozoa, sperm cells, red blood cells, etc. under his microscope. Various components of cells were recognized subsequently. A.Z. Lewy and P.C. Cowes defined the cell as a unit of biological activity encircled by semi-permeable membrane that is capable of self-reproduction. In simple terms, we can define cell as a basic structural and functional unit of life. On the basis of cellular organization, cells are divided into eukaryotic type of cells and prokaryotic type of cells.